Hi, welcome back to Excel Guru. In this video, we are going to learn how to create new Excel sheet, how to explore different templates, what are the different tabs and groups, how to create your own custom tabs, what are the shortcuts to navigate the tabs, and how to use the place, undo, redo, everything. Okay, so let's go and open the new sheet. So to create a new Excel sheet, just click on a Windows button and type create. So if Excel is sorry Excel is installed in your system, then it will appear. Just click on Excel. These are the different options you will get. Okay, so these are the new options and these are the recently used Excel sheet. So if you want to use any recently used sheet, then you can click on directly on that. And if you want to go on these this is the new workbook, and these are some other options available. If you will click on more templates, so these are the some learning sheets have been created, how to learn drop down tutorial, formula tutorials, pivot tutorials. Okay, and there are some different uh, templates are created. These are completely free of cost. You can just download it and you can use it for your purpose, like this loan amortization schedule, Gantt project planner, any year inventory list, everything. Okay, so let's click on loan amortization and understand. So this is the template ready to download and use it for us. If you have taken any loan, right, so you can enter the loan amount here. Okay, then the percentage, loan period in a year, how many times you will pay, right, and the number of the payments per year and the start date of this. So you will get all the details of the loan. Okay, suppose if you are changing the loan amount, let's say I have changed from 5 to 10, 1 lakh. Okay, and the percentage is 5%, and the number of period in 1 year is, let's say, 12. Okay, and the number of years is 20. Okay, so this would be the your schedule, your loan summary. The scheduled payment will be $554, and the scheduled number of payments is 240. Actual number of payments is 193, and the total early payments, if you are making, okay, so if you are making some early payments, this is the option 100 rupees. If it is 0, then this will be right. Our lender bank is this, and this will be your EMI. Okay, so this for your purpose you can use it, and there are some other templates also. Okay, so let's come to the new sheet, a blank sheet. So this is the blank Excel sheet, guys, which we have understand in last video. This is the columns and these are the rows, and the intersection of rows and columns are called cell. Okay, and the address of cell is here, D6, the D is column and 6 is row. Okay, and the selection of some particular cells are called range. This we have understood in last video. Okay, so let's navigate the tabs. So this is the home page, home tab. Okay, and these are the all options, color, font, and word wrap, and the conditional formatting, format, everything. So short, filter, these all comes under the home tab. Okay, and this is the insert tab. In insert tab you will get this pivot chart and everything. Then insert, then page layout. In page layout you will get all these options. Then formula, in formula you will get all these options. And in formula you can notice that all the formulas have been categorized, like in this financial, logical, text, date. Okay, all this formula you can see. In data all these options, review, view. Okay, so friends, you can see this is, so many options, so many tabs and so many options are available. Suppose for your purpose you don't want all the options. Okay, you want some you want to create your own tab and in that, under that tab, you want some specific options available, 4 5 options which you will use regularly. Okay, and that will be easy for you to navigate. So you want to create your own custom tab. So to create that, click on file. Okay, and in file you will get all these options: saving option, print, share, export, print, share, export. Okay, and account detail of your Excel, and come to the options. In options you will get all these sheets. So first is the general, formula, data, proofing, saving, language, ease, everything. Okay, so come to the custom ribbon. Okay, in custom ribbon you can see all these tabs are already available. Okay, so if you want to remove these tabs, you can remove it. All right, suppose I want to remove this new tab. Okay, so I have removed it from here. This is also new tab I want to remove from here. It can be removed. Okay, so these are the some other options are also available. If it is not here, you can add it in this. All right, and now if you want to create your own tab, then just click on tab, new tab. Okay, so a new tab is created and you want to rename your new tab, then click on new tab and click on rename. So I want to rename it with the Excel Guru. Okay, so this is the Excel Guru tab came, and you want to add some specific uh, options available in this. So I have added let's say insert table I'm adding, pivot table I'm adding in this, and suppose I'm adding conditional formatting in this. So three options I'm adding as of now. Then click on OK. All right, see friends, so there is another tab has been created, Excel Guru, and all these three options which we have added, like table, pivot table and conditional formatting, that has come here. So for your purpose, if you want to use these features only, then directly you can go to Excel Guru and all these features. So you don't need to go to different tabs and take these options. All right, so this is how you can create your custom tabs. Okay, all right, so let's understand that how to navigate your tabs by shortcuts. Okay, so because if you are using Excel extensively, then you know you need to understand the shortcuts. That is very important, otherwise you cannot speed up your work. So to speed up your working on Excel, you must know these shortcuts and you must use the shortcuts. Okay, so I will teach you that you don't need to learn shortcuts. You can just understand what can be the shortcuts of any particular option. Okay, so to get the shortcuts, just first click on the alt. If you will click on alt, then see you will some particular letter have been highlighted on all the tabs. Okay, and that particular letter is the shortcut for that particular tab. Okay, like for home it is F, file F, for formula it's M, for page layout it is P. Okay, and for data it's A. So if you suppose we want to go to data, then click on A, then all the further options of data will be highlighted, right? So suppose query connection it's O, the shortcut for format table is PT, for shortcut for get data is PM, for shortcut of the filter is T. So suppose I want to get the filter. Okay, then I will click on T. Sorry, again I'm coming to this, click on alt. Okay, then let's come, this time it is in insert. So I'm clicking for insert, it is N, click on N. In N, let's click on some, let's say we want to click the table. So for table it is T, click on T. See, this option table, to create new table has come. Okay, so this is the shortcut. So shortcut to create this table is what? Alt and T. Okay, so you can write this alt plus N plus T. So this is the shortcut to create a new table. Suppose, so this is the range I want to create new table here. So alt plus N plus T. See, this is a new table created. Okay, so this is how you can understand the shortcuts. Okay, so this is very important, because if you want to work on Excel speedily, right, so you need to know the shortcuts, and you must use the shortcuts by mouse. Using the mouse and cursor you cannot speed up. Okay, so and you don't need to remember, I mean learn that. You just understand what could be this by clicking on alt and this. All right, okay friends, so this is about the shortcuts of navigating the tabs. Okay, and one more thing I would like to tell you, that if you open, and I have opened my blank sheet, though it was open with only one sheet one. Okay, but it is not fixed. You can change it as per your requirement. Suppose for your working, if you want to open your new Excel sheet, and you want by default there should be 5 sheets here that would be required for you. Okay, then just go to the file and come to options. Okay, and here in general you can change it from number of sheets. Now include this many sheets is from 1 to 5. Click on 5, then click on OK. All right, now if you will click, go to file, and if you will open new sheet, click on new. Okay, see, so these are the 5 sheets are open as of now. Okay, so you can change it as per your requirement, not an issue. All right, so these are the options available, and we have explored the tabs and everything. All right, so we have covered all the topics to create Excel, explore different templates, tabs, and create own tab, shortcuts, and replace, undo, and redo. So these are the option for you shortcut. Either you can use shortcuts also, and this is the cut and copy paste for this, and the same thing which we have understand, that control C is copy, that will work here to copy anything. You can use control C. Okay, these are the shortcuts. I will give you all the shortcuts, and then paste. You can use control V, and the cut control X. All these things will work. All right, and these are the undo and redo. So this is if these are the icons available. To you want to undo this, then you can click on this. This is undo, and this is the redo. If you want that back, then you can click on redo. Okay, so these are the undo and redo. This is the save button. Okay, you can save your file. If you want to save it, click on save, and the location it will ask, so you can change the location as per your requirement. And in this PC, if you want to save your file in document, or if you want to save on the desktop, you can save it. Excel group, and the extension you can give. By default it will be Excel workbook, that it .xls. You can change it to Excel macro or Excel binding, which we have already discussed. So if we will understand VB and macro, if it is a VB and Excel sheet, then we will save it in this. So as of now you can take it anyone. Okay, save. So your file is saved here in desktop. This is Excel group. Okay, thank you so much friends, and in next video we will understand some other important things. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, and please click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of new videos. Thank you so much.